Hello guys, welcome back to MBBSCouncil. We provide MBBS and PG admission paid counseling guidance for both All India quota and state quota for all states. MCC has released the NEET PG 2022 Round 1 results. So in this video, we will compare NEET 2022 All India quota General Category Round 1 closing rank cutoff with the last year for MD and MS courses. Before that, if you are new to this channel and looking for NEET counseling, I request you to subscribe to this channel now and press the bell icon to get notified instantly. First, let's begin with Preclinical Courses comparison. For example, let us take MD Anatomy. Last year, the round 1 cutoff for general category was around 71,345, and for this year, it is around 90,087, meaning that the cutoff for this year has become less in terms of score. For the remaining courses, you can see in this slide. Now let's move on to Paraclinical Courses. Except hospital administration, for other paraclinical courses, the cutoff has become higher in terms of All India rank. For example, last year for MD Community Medicine, the cutoff was around 36,727, and for this year, it is around 46,030. For the remaining courses, you can see in this slide. Now let's move on to clinical courses. For MD General Medicine, there is not much variation in the cutoff because it is always in demand and competitive. For Physical Medicine also, there is not much variation. Surprisingly, for Nuclear Medicine, the cutoff has become lesser in terms of All India rank. For these two courses, the number of seats is less compared to other courses. Similar to MD General Medicine, for MD Radio Diagnosis also there is no variation, as it is also more competitive and highly preferable. For the remaining courses, you can see the trend. Now let's move on to surgery courses. Here for all the courses, the cutoff has been increased when compared with last year All India rank cutoff. For example, if we take MS ENT, last year it was around 30,066. For this year, it is 15,457. So in general, the cutoff has been reduced in terms of score as there was some slight increase in the seats for all PG courses. If you are already using the MBBSCouncil app, you can go to the settings option. There is an option called Reload Data, in which you have to select the Reload Cutoff Details option. You have to wait until it shows all details loaded message, so that these latest cutoff details will be available for you. For example, here on the screen you are seeing the Andhra Medical College cutoff for MD Anesthesiology after reloading the data. For round 2, we can expect the cutoff would be around 13,300 something. You can ask, how did I predict this cutoff? For last year, the cutoff rank difference for the general category was 2,800. This year's first round cutoff is 10,459. When we add these two numbers, we get around the 13,300 rank. Similarly, you can also see and predict the cutoff for other courses in the MBBSCouncil app. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll leave a link in the description box below. In the next video, we will see the cutoff comparison for DNB courses. Until then, subscribe to our channel to get regular counseling updates. And also, if you have any doubts, you can leave them in the comment box. I'll reply to them. Thank you.